Wake up, bestie! Wake up, bestie!
Everybody, do I have your permission to create a paint bomb? Do I have
No,
everybody's permission to create a paint bomb?
Wake up, bestie!
Guys, please.
I am disappointed in you.
Do I have anybody's permission to create a paint bomb?
Yes, you have mine.
Alright, I'm gonna create it.
First, I gotta poo on you. Come here.
Someone is legit not good.
Place it back. You literally just said you own it.
You gotta do it wetter, like
You're a bad drummer. You need to accept that.
It's my property, okay? I can remove it. I made these, okay? I made these. I placed the speakers down.
Well, it was good while it lasted. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and